What's up, traders? It's Wade here yet again from Mayor FX. I hope you're all doing well. As everyone knows, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown on GBPJPY, US30 GBPUSD, EURUSD, and as well gold. Guys, I'm laughing because like I've been doing this video like I don't know, like 100 times over. I don't know if I'm nervous. I'm not sure if it's the weather. It's chilly. It's I don't know. It's raining. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing week last week. As you all know, it's a brand new week, so I know things will change. As you guys know, stick to your risk management, stick to your trading plan. As I tell everyone, do not risk the amount of money in the market you cannot afford to lose. Come on, guys, stay disciplined, but as well, stay consistent, always. So yeah, as you all know, coming next. No, wait, I forgot. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's that easy, so come on. So yeah, as you know what's coming next, it's my weekly breakdown on the market. So yeah, let's do this. See you just now. What's up, traders? As you guys can see, we are back. We are on the market. As you guys know, like and subscribe, please. All right, so let's get to it. As you guys can see, we are on EURUSD. Come on, just make myself a little bit smaller here. All righty. Okay, as you guys can see, we're on the daily time from EURUSD. So for now, for this coming week, I have been seeing lower lows and lower highs. So I have been looking at bearish trends, so more or less looking at sell trades, right? But if you look at your weekly, we are at a new level of support, which is right here. So more or less for this coming week, I see that the market might come back up to levels of 1.08650, hopefully reject the zone and then come back down in this bearish momentum that it's currently in. That's what I see for this coming week on EURUSD. I really do not see any buy trades for this coming week. I'm not really positive in buy trades for this coming week. So it's a little bit different if you go onto your 4-hour. Zoom a little bit out. So yeah, maybe there's a possibility that it might reject the zone and come back down. But if you look at your weekly time frame, it's at a level of support. So more or less, it is going to retrace and come back to new levels of resistance, reject that zone, more or less, hopefully, and then come back down. So for this coming week, if you're looking at a day trading perspective of things, it is possible that you might be looking at certain buy trades for this coming week, not necessarily sell trades. As you guys know that, on a daily, it takes quite a while before the market reaches new levels of resistance. So there is a big possibility that the market might go bullish on a day trading perspective of things, if you have to look at day trading. So if you have to look at the 4-hour, you're going to look more or less at this. For this coming week, if you have to look at buy trades on the 4-hour, yeah, I hope it makes sense to you guys. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to a lot of people. So I hope it does make sense to some, especially if you look at your weekly time frame. It does look like more or less, if you look at a day trading perspective of things, that it might retrace to new levels of resistance. So on a 4-hour, more or less, that's what you're going to look for. And then hopefully see a rejection at new levels of resistance. And then on a daily time frame, you'll most likely see that rejection at that zone, which is 1.08650. And then as well, if there is a rejection at that zone, then you're going to look at sell trades, as you guys can see. So more or less something like this for this coming week, right? Something like that. So more or less buy trades for this coming week. Anything can happen in the market, might even drop further down, right? It's a possibility. I'm not saying it can happen. It's a possibility. And then from there on, come back up, boom, and then sell back down. That can as well happen as well. So if you guys are looking at my trades and you guys looking at the full video, I hope this explains a lot. But this is more or less something that can happen. You adapt to the market. So coming this week, when the market opens, obviously you're going to wait. I do not trade on a Monday, as you guys know. As some of you know, I do not trade on a Monday, because I want to see more or less where the market is going to push, where the market wants to be. So things might change. So we'll have to adapt to the market and see what it might do and what it wants. As you guys can see on the weekly, it is at the level of support. So let's see how the week goes on EURUSD. Let's go to GBPUSD on a daily. Alrighty. As on the daily, as you guys can see, in 4 hours as well. Boom, let's stick to the daily. Right, and then obviously you guys know you need to break it down to your 4-hour, your 1 hour, and your 30-minute, depending how you guys take your trades. or how your rules work on how you trade your specific trades. So for this coming week, I'll be looking hopefully for the market to retrace back to new levels of resistance. So on a day trading perspective of things, you'll be looking for buy trades, because obviously day traders, they look at the market, but they're out in mostly 24 hours once they put their trades in. So that's more or less what I'm going to look for this coming week on GBPUSD, or GU as most people know it. As you guys can see on a daily, it's coming down to a new level of resistance. So most likely going to come, or support, sorry. So then it might retrace, go back to new levels of resistance, and then form a rejection at levels of 1.24126. Reject that zone, hopefully, and then come back down. As you guys can see on the daily, there is a crossover of your moving averages. So there is a nice, more or less something to add in as taking sell trades as well. If you are a day trader, obviously you're going to break the market down further down and take things from there. Your 4 hour, your 1 hour, take things from there. So I hope more or less this makes sense to most of you guys. If not, buy trades on the daily. It's going to take quite a while for the market to come up here. Maybe not. You never know. So on mostly buy trades, I'll wait for this level of 1.24126. Push through level of resistance, close above level of resistance, retrace, come back down to new levels of support, and then take buy trades from there. But I'll have to see how the market turns out for this coming week, and then adapt to what the market wants you to do. So yeah, let's go to everyone's favorite, which is US30 on a daily as well. All right, I hope I'm not speaking too loud, guys, and I hope I'm speaking clearly. Sometimes, yeah. All right, guys, more or less US30, it's a possibility it might retrace, come back to new levels of support, reject level of support, and then as well go back to new levels of resistance. Boom, it can come here. There, you guys know US30 sometimes it's not as clear as it is there, but you take what you can get. Obviously, trading plan, the way you take your trades is very, very, what am I doing? Is very, very important. So yeah, it all depends how you guys take your rules and how you guys take your trades. But on US30, that's more or less something that I'll be looking for this coming week. If you do break things down, right, it looks different. It's possible that it might retrace, go back. Like even on the 4 hour, yeah, that's what, level 34401. Yeah, 344001. So it might come back up to the zone right here, which is level of resistance on a daily time frame, and then reject the zone, and then boom, come back down. Right. So that's what I'll be looking for, sell trades on US30 for this coming week. If not, this level of 34401 will break, close above, come back down, as you guys know, like that, more or less like that. And then I'll take buy trades from there, seeing if levels of support, it rejects at new levels of support. But for this coming week, I'm still going to look for sell trades on US30. Not really that much buy trades on US30. So I'll be looking for sell trades for this coming week on US30. As you guys know, you guys don't need to take any of these trades. Follow your own trading strategy. You guys know what I want to say. All right, let's go to what we did, GBPJPY. All right, let's go to GBPJPY. So finally, GBPJPY has been showing something as this bearish momentum that it is currently in. So for now, I'm more or less going to see that levels might reject or stay here and might just push further down. As on the daily, it hasn't reached new levels, or new levels of support. So there is a possibility that the market might just take it from here, boom, and then just continue further down, selling down, right? That's a possibility. It's a possibility that might go further up to this level of support and then drop. But then again, on the 4 hourly time frame, you see there's a level right there, which it has been rejecting that specific level of support on a 4 hourly time frame. So it's more or less what we see, what the market wants, and then adapt and then take it from there. So we'll have to see what the market wants for this coming week. So this is more or less what I'm seeing, that the market might just reject and pull back down yet new levels and reach new levels of support, and then boom, shoot back up, reject that zone, right? Insert indicators, objects, and then boom, come back down, which it is currently in this bearish momentum as it is currently, and it's very bearish. I don't see any bullish momentum. But as I do show you guys always, buy trades as well. So hopefully it's going to come back to new levels of support and then break levels of 181.866 and then reject new levels of support, right? This is more or less what I'll be looking for if I look for any buy trades on GBPJPY, but I'm not sure. I don't think that it's actually going to hit any buy trades for this coming week. I'll mostly see sell trades for this coming week. Right, that's more or less what I look for buy trades for GBPJPY. Sorry guys, I'm scratching myself. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But for this coming week, I'll be looking for sell trades. That's more or less once the market shows something clear, that's when I'll take my specific trades, because sometimes the market isn't just clear. This is more or less just something I'm looking for to see where the market might push, where it might not. So yeah, GBPUSD we have done. EURUSD, I think we have. Yes, we have. And then let's go to gold. All right, gold has been playing very well, as we have been seeing this bullish push that gold has done and as well pull back down, break levels of support on a 4-hourly time frame. So more or less on a 4-hour time frame, if you look at it intraday or day trading perspective, I'll be looking for sell trades. Correct, I'll just be looking for that, because the really broke levels of support, push to new levels of resistance, and now hopefully rejects that level of resistance at 1927.92 and then come push down further down on gold to the specific level of 1915.65. That is a possibility as well. If you look at your daily, same thing. So it is a few things to look at, but more or less for this coming week, I'll be looking for sell trades on gold. But things can change as well. Right, as you guys know, it can reject the specific zone right here and boom. Ooh, what am I doing? What am I doing? All right, then it might push up if it rejects the specific level of support. It can push up. Further than that, it can actually push further down. Right, guys? What's it doing that? All right, and then come back down to new levels of resistance and then push further down, going bearish. That's what the market can do for this coming week on gold. So let's see how things turn out. For now, I'm just seeing more or less a rejection at this new level of support or resistance, sorry, and then I'm going to see more or less a push down. Hopefully, I get a break of that level of 1915.65, a close below that level, and then a push further back into new levels of resistance, which it broke level of support, and then see another push down on gold. That's what I'm looking for this coming week on gold. If it does go bullish, as you guys know, I'll be looking for a break of 1927.92, which will be, what is this thing doing? Will be that, right? But I don't think more or less that's what's going to happen for this coming week. But let's see. Adapt to the market. As you guys know, risk management is very important. Do not risk the amount of money in the market that you cannot risk to afford or afford to risk. I don't know what I said there, but you guys know what I mean. Risk management, very important, guys. Come on, we can do it. We will do it. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week and that things turn out perfectly for you guys. Thanks, guys. Thank you for listening to me, and I am out.